Did you know your home can be a happiness booster? It's true. Our surroundings impact how we feel. A joyful space can lift your spirits. It can make you feel energized and motivated. Imagine walking into a bright, cheerful room. How does it make you feel? Probably happy and relaxed. That's the power of a well-designed space. Let's talk about dopamine. It's a chemical in your brain. Think of it as a feel-good messenger. When you experience something enjoyable, your brain releases dopamine. This makes you feel happy, motivated, and focused. Want more dopamine? Design your home with that in mind. Certain things can trigger dopamine release. Bright colors are a great example. Yellows and oranges can feel like sunshine. They boost energy and creativity. Natural light is super important. Open those curtains and let the sunshine in. Natural light helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. This makes you feel more energized and balanced. Ever notice how good it feels to tidy up? That's dopamine at work. A clutter-free space reduces stress and promotes relaxation. Ready to transform your space? Start small. Add pops of color with pillows or artwork. Choose bright, cheerful shades. Let there be light. Open curtains and blinds throughout the day. Trim any overgrown bushes blocking windows. Consider adding mirrors to reflect light. Tackle clutter one step at a time. Start with a single drawer or shelf. A little organization goes a long way. Remember, your home should be your sanctuary. It's a place to recharge and feel your best. So, create a space that sparks joy and welcomes you home. Like and subscribe to join the journey with Explore Life's Wonders. Let's discover the world together.